Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain why your sink might not be working. Check this one out. The water is turned on in the on position. When I touch it, it is not working. This is a touch faucet. And the reason it's not working is we need to change the batteries. So if I come down here underneath the sink, this is my battery pack right here. However, it could be mounted anywhere under here, so you kind of have to look. Usually they have a red cord just like this one right here. That red cord kind of goes all the way back up to the faucet underneath. So what we need to do is take out this battery pack. The top to that lid just pops off, and there you go. There's the 4 batteries. Let's replace those. You can see one of those 4 batteries is missing. I just took it out for demonstration purposes. Make sure when you replace the batteries that you put them in correctly. Batteries almost always have a little picture diagram to show you what the battery, how it should go in. New batteries, we'll put it back in this case, close up the top, put it back in its place, and try it out. There you go, simple as that. I love these new touch faucets. But boy, if you forget the batteries there, these do not work at all. The default is that they do not work. So even if you try to use the handle right here, when the batteries are dead, it's not gonna work. Hey friends, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, leave a thumbs up, put a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.